Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 007 first light. It might be black screen, freezing, or any lag that matters. But anyways, let's get straight to it. First, open up your Steam, click on library right over here, scroll down to your game, right click on it, click on properties. Over here, click on install files and verify integrity of game files. What this will do is it's going to repair any corrupted or missing data. Wait for it to finish. Once it's completed, go ahead and exit out and relaunch your 007 First Light. If the problem still persists, what I recommend doing is updating your graphics driver. If you don't have the NVIDIA app already, go ahead and open up your browser, search up NVIDIA app, download from the browser, and then install it. If you do have an AMD or Intel graphics driver, this will be the same step, but it will be a different app. Now, if the NVIDIA app is now downloaded and installed, go ahead and open it up, click on drivers right over here, and install the latest driver. Click on download. Once download is done, it will be uninstalled, just like so. The next thing what I recommend is by running the program as administrator. Go ahead and right click on the game executable file to resolve potential permission related launch errors. And the next thing that I recommend is disabling overlays. Turn off background overlays like Discord, Steam Overlay, Xbox Game Bar, or G4 Experience. In our case right now, go ahead and disable the NVIDIA app overlay as this may conflict with the game. Another thing you should do is lowering the graphics settings. Reduce intensive settings such as shadows, reflections, textures, and ray tracing to improve stability if you are experiencing FPS drops or lag. You can also do this on the NVIDIA app as well. Another thing is by going to the install Windows updates. Go ahead and click on search, type in Windows Update, ensure your OS is up to date, including all optional driver security patches to maintain full compatibility within a game. Make sure you have done all the steps, and if this still doesn't work, a quick restart on your PC will be fixed. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.